Hello and welcome to JMS News. I'm your host, Jolene Rodriguez, and I'm live from the studio on the most glamorous night in Hollywood, the Oscars. This decade has been the golden age of the 50s, and popularity continues to escalate throughout the years to come. Now let's go check in with our live action on the red carpet with Star and Sarah.
Thanks, Jolene. I'm here with the representative for the movie Sabrina. Can you tell me a little bit more about the movie?
You know, I'm glad many women found this movie interesting because I feel that it gives a great insight to what love is really about and how it's not easy finding it. The movie is kind of like Cinderella. A chauffeur's daughter has a crush on a womanizer's son who just so happens to be her father's employer. Sabrina goes to Paris and comes back as a mature, classy lady who charms everyone she encounters.
Why do you think this movie was such a great hit?
I think what really made this movie popular was the strange combination between Humphrey Bogart and Audrey Hepburn. Both actors were magnificent together, as we saw in the film. William Holden, as the younger Larrabee, was great as well.
Thank you so much for your time. It was wonderful meeting you.
Thank you. The pleasure's all mine.
And coming this way is Peter Pan's representative. Nice to meet you.
Thanks for having me.
Not a problem. I love this movie so much. It was one of my favorites, don't you think? A great classic for all ages. What makes me feel like a kid again?
Well, that's exactly what the movie's all about. A boy who could relate to all ages and never wanted to grow up. The magic begins when the boy, who never grows up, flies through Darling's windows in search for his shadow. Along with his fairy friend Tinkerbell, Peter Pan teaches his children to fly off to the second star on the right on a magical adventure filled with pirate battles, Indian rituals, and mermaid lagoons.
That's exactly what I thought. Anything else you'd like to share?
Disney's 14th animated film not only gave us our beloved Tinkerbell, but Peter Pan defines Disney's magic, reminding us all again and again that childhood dreams live forever.
That's all the question I have for you. Thank you for answering, though.
Thank you.
Now I'm going to switch it over to Sarah, who is further down the red carpet. Sarah?
Thank you, Star. Yep, that's right. I'm right outside the doors. Now, coming up to me, I have the representative for Singing in the Rain, Felicia. I know you're so busy, so thank you for taking your time out of the schedule to talk to me.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me about Singing in the Rain.
The movie is funny and has great lines to quote. The acting is perfect, music and dancing was on point, and it had a perfect storyline. Singing in the Rain is often talked about as a musical for people who don't like musicals.
So tell me, why do you think it became so popular?
Singing in the Rain was a great hit as a romance and musical. Kelly and Reynolds clicked on screen and even off screen. Kelly, the co-director and choreographer, was difficult to work with. He worked Reynolds so hard that her feet started to bleed at one point from too much dancing.
And what about the songs?
The songs are great. They worked into the story very well, which was imaginably shocking because most of the songs were written exactly for this film. Also, the choreography is flawless and jaw-dropping. The film is worth a look for its great dance numbers.
Thanks, Star, for an inside look at the making of Singing in the Rain, and I look forward to seeing your nomination at this year's awards.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.
I'm also here with the representative for Disney Cinderella. Are you feeling as amazing as you look right now? Because that dress is beautiful.
Thank you. Well, a recreation of Grimm's fairy tales, Disney Cinderella shares the story of a girl's dreams and romance. After her father's death, Cinderella is forced to live with her wicked stepmother and evil stepsisters. When her family prevents her from going to the royal ball, her fairy godmother comes to aid. With a wave of her wand, she transforms Cinderella's nightmare into her wildest dreams. She falls in love with Prince Charming, but flees at the stroke of midnight just as the spell breaks.
That's great to hear. Tell me a little bit more about Disney Cinderella.
Cinderella is the embodiment of what girl wants when it comes to love. A Prince Charming, a fairy godmother, a pair of glass slippers, and a happily ever after. This movie changed the face of Disney in the 50s, forevermore and after. Cinderella has become one of 3 Disney signature classic princesses, along with Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, and Cinderella broke box offices.
Thank you, Michaela. That's all the time we have for tonight. Now back to Jolene in the studio.
This has been your inside look on the red carpet. Until next year's awards, I'm Jolene Rodriguez with JMS News. Good night.